everyone, today I'm going to show you a delicious way to make summer pasta with a little bit of a twist. We're going to do it on the grill. Now you can use chicken thighs or chicken breasts. I prefer the taste of chicken thighs, so that's what I'm using here. I'm just cutting these into cubes. They'll go on the skewers with the cherry tomatoes. And when you finish with the chicken before going to the vegetables or before going to anything else, always be sure after cutting raw chicken to wash your hands. For the zucchini, I just simply cut it in half, and then I'll slice it the long ways to go directly on the plancha. Real simple. Okay, for our pesto later, we're going to want to grill this garlic. I'm going to start this now because it takes a little while for it to go. Just put a little olive oil in with the garlic cloves. I'm going to wrap it up and set it on the grill where it's nice and hot. Also going to roast the sunflower seeds here in a little cast iron pan for the pesto sauce as well. And while that gets going, we're going to just par cook, if you will, the pasta. Just really halfway cook it in the boiling water back here, and then we'll finish cooking it on the grill in a little bit. We're going to do our skewers here, just alternating with, I use chicken thighs. Again, you can use chicken breast if that's what you prefer. Just chicken, tomatoes, and keep repeating that. Okay, the garlic, oh, it's smelling amazing. Gonna leave that on a little longer. I'm gonna take off the sunflower seeds, set this over here for when we do the pesto. Gonna throw on our skewers and our zucchini. Get the chicken going. Nice little sizzle. Gonna put a little olive oil down for the zucchini. Spread them out on the plancha here. Now for the chicken, I'm just going to do a little salt and pepper. They don't need much with the pesto we're going to put on. And a little for the vegetables as well. Chicken's coming along nicely. Going to give it a flip. Smells amazing on here. Going to give a little flip to the zucchini. Looking good. So I've got about 3 cups of beautiful fresh basil thrown in there, the garlic that we roasted, the roasted sunflowers as well. We'll throw this on to blend it real quick. So now that that's mixed up, I'm going to throw in my parmesan. And I'm going to take a couple pieces of this zucchini and olive oil and then start it up. Oh, that looks and smells so good. Okay, these are coming along nicely. We're going to slide these over here. Keep them on the grill to stay warm. But they are basically done. Smell outstanding. I'm going to put down some oil here, bring over the pasta, and as you can tell, I'll grill anything. But searing this real quick like this, getting a little flavor on the grill is going to be outstanding. Oh, this all smells so good already together, and I still smell the pesto from behind me here. Can't wait to put this all together. Going to give the pasta a quick flip here. The consistency from when I took it off where it was still hard because it was only halfway cooked, it's already feeling really good. So probably going to leave it on for about 2 minutes. Take it off, we'll plate it, we'll put on the zucchini, the beautiful chicken and tomatoes, and then we're going to throw on the pesto, which, oh, can't wait to eat that pesto. It smells so good behind me. All right, let's get this pasta. It really smells good. The pasta feels like it's cooked perfect here and has this nice kind of grilled smell to it. And of course grilled where the chicken was finished as well. We're going to take these skewers, slide that in. Oh, the grilled tomatoes smell outstanding. The chicken smells great. We're going to put the zucchini in as well. Then I'm going to mix this all up and throw the pesto on top of it here. This all smells so good. Just mixing this all together. Plating this, again, just some great smells. An excellent summertime pasta dish. Now we'll take this wonderful pesto. Oh, I love pesto, so I'm gonna load it in. You can mix it in, again, if you wanna mix it all the way through, or put it on the top and let people mix their own through. Also, you can mix on if you wanna put a little bit fresh Parmesan on top. The smells of all this combined is outstanding. I gotta get a little chicken, a little bit of the tomatoes here, a lot of the pesto, some zucchini, mix it all up. The pasta just seems cooked perfect. I gotta taste it here. Outstanding dish. You can grill anything, and there's that little extra flavor in the pasta from being grilled on the plancha that just tastes so good. I love the cherry tomatoes. The chicken is perfect. Outstanding. I'm really happy with it. This summer pasta dish was so much fun to make. Just putting it on the grill gave it a different flavor. Tastes amazing. Let me know what you want to see cooked next. I'll be happy to do it. Have a great day, and remember, spread love through barbecue.